Let's create a solitaire ring. This style is a variation of a simple ring. I will start by drawing 2 ellipses to establish the thickness of the ring's profile. Next, I will design the inner and outer shank, just like we did with the second ring variation earlier. Following the angle of the ring, I will draw 2 lines across it to mark where the stone will be placed. Afterward, I'm going to erase the section of the ring between these lines, as well as any excess lines. For now, I will draw an overall shaped stone to fit the space. Later, I will demonstrate how to draw faceted stones, but for this step, a simple oval will suffice. I've added a small pavilion to the stone to create the perspective of its bottom. Finish, I will add shadows, following the same technique we used on the other rings to create depth and lighting. For the final variation, we will add a design on the top of the ring. We will begin with the basic steps of creating a simple ring as we did before. I've decided to go with a V-shaped design on the top, but you could also try a U-shape or double V or W to explore different results. Once the shape is drawn, I will erase the guidelines, leaving only the design on the top. Maintaining the light source from the top left, I will then apply shadows to both the inside and outside of the ring, ensuring a realistic sense of depth.